So it's time to get connected with management on Q2 results, and now we are joined by Syngene management, and the set of results that they have posted have been pretty weak, and we are joined by Mr. Peter Bains, MD, CEO, Syngene International. Hi there, welcome to ET Now, and let's talk about the financial sharp degrowth in financials, mainly affected by one large client. Could you please shed some light there?
The principal impact in our financials is related to an ongoing single commercial product in our biologics portfolio, which is facing some in-market headwinds. That is feeding back to us, and that is impacting our numbers. This was our largest commercial product, and the impact of that is being seen in the numbers. But what is also important is to look at the rest of the business. And if I put that single product impact to one side, across the rest of Syngene's diversified business platforms, we are seeing growth. And that growth is coming from our manufacturing units. Both our large and our small manufacturing units are seeing increasing utilization, translating into growth. And across our research services, in our chemistry in particular, but also biology, and in our translational and clinical research platforms, we're also seeing growth. So in some way, it's a story of two halves. There's the isolation of the single product impact in our large commercial biologics, and the rest of Syngene's business, I think, is in health and showing growth.
Right. Mr. Bains, can you also give us a breakdown of the performance of your business segments?
So I think that we are seeing growth, as I said, in our manufacturing businesses once we exclude that single product, and that is in the small molecule platform where increased utilization, and this is across a number of customers, and we're also seeing growth and capacity increase in our large molecule facility in Bangalore, again, across a range of customers. And that's, healthy indicator, I think, going forward. And in our research services, we're seeing good growth, particularly in chemistry, our chemistry services, but also in biology and also in translation and clinical. We don't break it down into customers, and we're not giving specific segmental numbers there, but we are seeing stable now growth, which is the focus of our operations now going forward across all those platforms.
All right, let's also talk about the Bristol-Myers Squibb partnership. How are you expecting a broadened scope of this partnership to play out for you in the midterm?
Yeah, so this is a very exciting development here, and we're thrilled to be able to announce the extension of this quite unique and remarkable collaboration, which now gives us, a horizon out to 2035. Now, this is Syngene's largest collaboration. It's long-standing. It's in its 27th year, and Syngene supports Bristol-Myers in this collaboration with around 700 scientists looking to support Bristol across drug discovery and development in multiple therapeutic areas. The extension over 10 years is a strategic horizon, and that gives both partners in this collaboration the opportunity to look across that timeline, to extend and expand the collaboration, and look to further support the development of exciting candidates to strengthen Bristol-Myers drug pipeline. So a very exciting strategic development for Syngene.
Right. Also, the new capacities that are added, can you tell us how these are expected to shape up your business's near-term performance?
Sure. So this is, very much in line with, our investment in new capabilities and new capacities to extend our customer service offerings and to differentiate our customer service offerings. So, for example, in the last quarter, we've invested in a liquid-filled hard gelatin facility, which strengthens our oral solid dose formulation offerings and enables us to look at that as an end-to-end capability in formulations from process R&D right the way through to drug product. So that's an exciting development. We've also, invested behind capabilities in chemistry, where we've put in catalytic screening and flow chemistry. This will enable our scientists in chemistry to accelerate through using multiple reactions in parallel, and that will enable us to speed up and to, further enhance the data that we deliver to our customers. So these are two examples. We've also been continuing to invest behind exciting modalities in peptides and in antibody drug conjugates, which are exciting and fast-growing areas for Syngene to move into.
Are you on track to meet your full year guidance given earlier in April?
So in light of the impact that we're seeing in this single large molecule commercial stage product, this is heavier than we thought, and on the basis of that, we are going to adjust our guidance, and on revenues that will come down from mid-single digit positive to 2 to 3% negative growth.
Thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us today on ET Now and weighing in on the numbers and the growth roadmap ahead. We'll let you go on that note. But moving on to the next story.